Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is Regenesis, and I hope you enjoy this new video. So I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial how to get virtually unlimited Stripchat tokens without you needing to pay for it. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Stripchat will get paid real money for these credits, for the allocations of these tokens. So basically the way it works, you're gonna watch a video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes. Then they will add a fairly significant amount of money in your Stripchat account, which converts to credits. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It's really easy, and this level of advertisements made for Stripchat credits just got released this year, I believe. It's 100% legit, does not break any rules. So guys, if you are interested in this video, and you know you're going to use it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I'm showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited Stripchat credits, guys. The only requirement is to qualify first. Don't worry guys, it's really simple and takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions, you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who love Stripchat and wants to get more fun and other premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comments if you like these type of content. If you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with this content. Guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.